Steve again for the new Steve Henry Show, and coming this week, yes, you got it, it's all about balloons. Why? Because it's the 50th annual Balloon Fiesta right here in Albuquerque. You know, Albuquerque, it has its downsides, but you know, there are two events that happen on an annual basis that are big. The Green Chili Festival and the Balloon Fiesta. Started in 72 with just 13 balloons, if you can believe it. And by about 2005, it was Kodak's most photographed event in world history. That's right. So, and of course, the Kodak camera, we know what happened to that. It is an amazing event, and we forgot all about it. So we're going to be ballooning it this weekend. By the way, we'll be out there live for the beginning of the show. I'm going to sneak out there Saturday. We'll be the first ones there. Nothing but crickets will be chirping, and that's where you'll find us on Saturday. But we'll be back in the studio live. You want to get your email blast? There's a lot of good information in that. We gave away a lot of stuff. This week, we got the spin again. We are winning, baby, winning. Let me tell you, I got the list right here. In the car spin right now, we have Catherine, Yenny, Ray, Dylan, and Josie. Those are all in the car spin waiting for the car. And the car is coming just before Christmas. I'm going to be putting away on that 74 Pinto right up at your driveway for Christmas. And also Lunch with Steve. We're going to probably do a couple of these. I need more. We need more. So we're going to spin a lot more this weekend. Lunch with Steve. We got David Leon, Becky Evans, Xavier Peralta, and Rosa Torres. That's Yenny's mom. Hi, Yenny. How are you? We are going to have a feast so we can comer together. Yes, we can do it. That's right. So it's all about balloons. Check this out. This is a homemade balloon. Now check it out. Literally, you got to light these things up like a torch. These balloons get gassed up and then they go, voila, up in the air. And you're going to see that go like that this weekend right here live. That's right. How do you do food for a balloon? Well, we're going to do shrimp on the Barbie. That's right. What? Yes. Not shrimp on the Barbie. No, not this. Not shrimp on the Barbie. I mean real shrimp on the Barbie, baby. This is going to be a really cool show. You're not going to want to miss it. Also, winners from last week. Check it out. We gave away so much last week. We're going to give away so much more this week. Last week's winner, the Banana Foster. Remember that vote, the 2112? Well, Mary Carey from Michigan won the big one. That was the number one vote if you voted for Bananas Foster. We gave away like 4 100s though. That was the second prize. Angie, Angela, Ophelia, and I'm looking for this person here. There's a missing persons report. That's right, J-A-Z, Zachar. Can't pronounce that last name. I need your address. I can't give you a check or mail one out without your contact information. You've got to go to the newstevehenryshow.com. You got to register and do all that stuff. But once you're in, I can send you out a check. We had lots of checks go out last week. She's not going to get a check unless she registers, so you got to register. It's all about balloons this weekend. The winners from last week, one more time. Gabriel Sue Rogie got $50. Minnie Carey, you got $50. But this week, we're going to spin again right over here. Barbie, get out of the way, Barb. We're going to roast some shrimp, and we're going to have a spin. I'm going to spin a bunch of names. I need some more car people, and I need to give more lunches away. I want to embark upon you at least 2 or 3 times before the Christmas holiday season. So don't miss it. This Saturday, 4 o'clock Mountain Time, it's the new Steve Henry Show. It's all about balloons, and it's shrimp on the Barbie.